X pipe. Finally gonna get some mufflers. It's quite heavy. And a bunch of other 2.5 inch. So I need to get the old one off. Done good for a while. One of these days I'll be an adult and get stainless steel. That day is not today. Well, it looks like it might not work, huh? Kind of a negative attitude. Oh, come on. Before I get going. Timer. Okay. Now, go around the clock. Couple of problems here. Obviously can't have it back that far. So I'm going to need to cut that one substantially, but I can cut that clear up. That cut comes after this. I'm going to cut however many inches that is off. And I think that will at least get me, let's see. If I can get it to right there, I think I can get it. So I just need to get these off. So all I gotta do is cut here and like down here somewhere, just take out that section and go from there. We're gonna need to cut these off. There for that one. So this is passenger. 1 hour, 5 minutes. Here's where we got. Got a X pipe. And then the 2 exits. Now I just gotta keep going. 1 hour. 2 hours, 21 minutes. Here we go. Got some tips on it now. I think they might stick out just a little too far. Maybe they're good. Having a little just minor issues now. Where to put final outlet. Somewhere right there, maybe. Those look like they are cross-eyed though. So that's where I'm at right now. But it gets the mufflers tucked up in 3 hour mark. Got it all tacked in, and now I have to just remove it and weld it all together. 4 hours, 4 hours and 20 minutes. Got the bracket on. Thinking I might need another one there. And time to hang her up. Alright, there's my time. 4 hours and 33 minutes. I do feel like some corrections are still in order. Maybe. It was the same with my last exhaust though. That one just looks a little bent in. Yeah, I need to fix. Gotta do a little fixing. Let's see what it sounds like though. Probably won't fix it for a couple months. There it is. Awesome. 4 hours and 33 minutes. They both kind of lean in a little from the top. And then I'm just gonna put one more anchor on it. And with that, it looks pretty good. On to the next assignment, which is what? Oh, passenger, chair, valance, front splitter, interior, door locks. The list just keeps going on. We gotta clean up.